Another fabulous one owner example, just in direct from local owners. What a beauty this is. Absolutely magnificent. Amazing find. Let's tell you a bit more about it. BMW X1 XDrive 1.8D M Sport. Of course, XDrive is four-wheel drive. It's a 2-litre diesel, 150 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual, finished in Alpine white, with around £1,800 worth of factory fitted options. Full BMW service history. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Let's take you all the way around it to show you incredible condition of this car with just 24,000 miles. July 2016 on a 16 plate. Massive boot on these, lovely and clean, not been abused. You've got the folding facility there. You can drop 2/3 down, 1/3 down, full drop. Very easy. Pull the button. Seats drop down. Massive storage just under there as well. Absolutely cavernous. All the loading area, lovely and clean, not been abused, not been knocked about. Rear parking sensors. Of course, electric tailgate. It really has been very well cherished. Matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so all those are absolutely like brand new. It has got the 19-inch optional tyres, all in great condition. As I mentioned, they are all matching Bridgestone run flat tyres. Nice contrast with the black and white, the black trims. And there we go, XDrive 1.8D. So there we have a 19-inch run flat tyres. As I mentioned, all the wheels totally faultless, and tyres all in very good condition all the way around. All the bodywork is absolutely incredible. Front parking sensors, LED headlights, all beautiful across the front. Of course, the odd tiny stone chip, but you've got to look very hard to find those, because there's hardly anything at all on the vehicle. And this is why I do the videos, to give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, knowing nothing is going to be hidden from you, so you can see every single part of the car, almost like you walking around the car with me. And we'll get many customers travelling from hundreds of miles, having seen the videos, to buy their cars from us. So there's the final wheel and tyre. Let's have a look inside. You will be impressed. All the door trims totally unmarked. Lots of legroom in there. Just look at that, absolutely massive space behind the seats. You've got the Alcantara sports trim with the leather. Nice blue cloth, attention to detail there. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, just beautiful inside as you would expect. Again, driver's door trim, all in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, boot open, front sport seats, and of course the sport seats you can adjust the support under your legs as well. Those seats again in great condition, no damage to those. Again, all the dashboard all in beautiful condition. Keyless start. There you have it, 24004. That's what it's done. 24004 miles. One owner from new. And we'll just show the BMW history on the system. Leather multifunction steering wheel. DAB radio. Which is a great sound system of the vehicle. CD player. Navigation. Bluetooth connection. Media input. The full menu, quite easy just to scroll through. All the various options. Again, tells you all on there about engine oil level, service requirements. So all the history is all there. Various mileage, as you can see, the dates on all serviced by BMW. And the vehicle's just gone through our workshops as well. On top of that, to make sure it's all right up to date. Of course, the parking sensors with the display on there. Dual zone climate control. Heated front seats. Cruise control speed limiter. Volume control. The menu on the dashboard. You've also got ride adjustable sport, comfort, eco modes. Also got hill descent. And everything's all controlled from there. For the suspension, hill descent on there. What a fabulous example with just 24,000 miles, one owner from new. Absolutely outstanding. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Great files always available direct from ourselves. Use our online files calculator on the website to work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. It is very quick and very easy to do that. Alternatively, you can always give us a call and we'll talk you through it on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve and come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7. Hit that reserve button and remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read all the raving fans' reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Established since 1997, our phone number again is 01782 822 700. If you don't want to miss this car, reserve it today. Phone number again 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.